Hi, welcome to all of you to our new session on Power BI. We are discussing about all the frequently asked Power BI interview question and answers. So let's start. What is Power BI? Power BI is a business intelligence tool by Microsoft that allows users to load and transform data from various sources into data visualization, reports, and dashboard. It is an industry standard tool, and most companies use it for their business solutions. What is Power BI Desktop? Power BI Desktop is a free application you install on your local computer that lets you connect to, transform, and visualize your data. With Power BI Desktop, you can connect to multiple different sources of data that combine them, often called modeling, into a data model. What is the difference between Tableau and Power BI? Tableau uses MDX for measures and dimensions. Power BI uses DAX for calculating measures. Tableau is capable of handling large volume of data. Power BI is qualified only to handle a limited amount of data. Tableau is best used for experts. Power BI user interface is comparatively simpler. Tableau is capable of supporting the cloud with ease, and Power BI finds it difficult as its capacity to handle large volume of data is limited. Difference between Power Query and Power Pivot. The difference between Power Query and Power Pivot are explained as follows. Power Query. Power Query is all about analyzing data. Power Pivot is all about getting and transforming data. Power Query is an ETL service tool, and Power Pivot is an in-memory data modeling component. What are building blocks in Power BI? Visualization. Visualization is a visual representation of data. For example, pie chart, line graph, side by side, bar chart, geographical presentation of the source data on top of geographical map, tree map, etc. And data set. Data set is a collection of data that Power BI uses to create its visualization, for example, Excel sheet, Oracle, or SQL tables. And reports. Report is a collection of visualization that appear together on one or more pages. For example, sales by country, state, city report, logistic performance report, profit by products reports, etc. And dashboard. Dashboard is a single layer presentation of multiple visualizations. We can integrate one or more visualization into one page layer. For example, sales dashboard can have pie chart, geographical map, and bar chart. Tiles. Tiles is a single visualization in a report or on a dashboard. For example, pie chart in dashboards or report.